All right, so I just want to give a quick rundown on the Motodynamic integrated tail light and their Fender Eliminator kit, which is right here, as you can see right there. Nice little piece of kit, and it did work well with the Shad Top Box Mount, which is this plate right here. So the tail light installation is really simple. It's literally just plug and play. So this is with it off. All right, go ahead. So that's when you turn the key on. Here's the left turn signal.
Yep.
So the left turn signal looks. Here's the right turn signal. Okay, and then the brake light. Right handlebar.
Right handle. Okay.
See, there you go. So it's very bright, and you get that that flashing. So it worked out well. But it's a really simple process. I mean, you just got a couple pieces of plastic to pull off, a couple screws here. The hardest part, if anybody's done the Shad Top Box, is getting the screws lined up and put in place with these spacers in here. But again, it's a 30-minute process, and I kind of took my time. So everything mounts up nice. It's a really sturdy mount, and it really cleans up the back end of the bike.